Hey friends, welcome to the channel where you can find amazing news about crypto. So BABYETH mourned on Ethereum growing to the moon. Here you can simply buy these tokens and here you can see their chart. Their chart is increasing day by day and here you can see their recent transaction price to USD price and further more details. Here you can see their contract address. You must copy the contract address, paste it on your wallet and buy these tokens. First we have some information about the BABYETH. BABYETH isn't just a token, it's the cutest coin on the blockchain. We are hired to ride waves, break charts, and make memes great again. Fueled by the Ethereum community, powered by pure baby energy, hodl tight, the baby about to run. Next, we have the amazing features. First, we have the Blast Strong. Fueled by the ETH that ruled the internet, join the BABYETH army, and watch the community grow. Meme Frenzy, a token that's built to go viral. The memes just keep coming. Fair and transparent. No team allocation, just pure, unadulterated meme coin goodness to the moon. Join a movement that's more than just a coin. We're aiming for the stars, so you can check it out. Their amazing tokenomics, like their total supply, their tax is 0%, liquidity locked for 1 year, and their max wallet is 2%. This is an outstanding platform. Next we have their meme gallery. Here you can check it out, their meme gallery and how to buy these tokens right here. First you have to get a wallet. Download MetaMask wallet to get started. Buy ETH. Get your hands on some ETH from your favorite exchange. Swap. Use Uniswap to trade your ETH for a token and start the meme revolution. Here you can simply join their community like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update and you can also follow them on their Twitter account and see their latest news and updates right here. This is a fabulous project. I hope you like the video. We will get back with another exciting project. Till then, take care. Bye.